Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your local data of your Temu app on your phone or on your device, whatever you are using. So let's get right into it. Now, this might be a good idea in the case that you have a corrupted app or some corrupted files. Clearing your data will delete those files and allow Temu to pretty much reset itself to the state it was when you first installed it. Now, if you want to do this very thoroughly, then I would recommend just uninstalling the app and reinstalling it again. And after you uninstall it, I would recommend that you delete any residual files that might be still on your system. But if you just want to fix some problems and you just want to reset your app, just deleting the files and the data will be good enough. Now, for this, you just need to go into your settings, and then once you're there, go and locate your apps. Once you're there, go into your apps menu and scroll down to the T's where Temu will be located. If it is, well, alphabetically sorted, click on that and then go into storage. And as you'll see, you have the option to clear your data. Now, this might be different on other operating systems. However, on Android, this is what it looks like. Once you click clear data, it's going to delete all the local data of the app on your device and you should be good to go. Now, keep in mind, once you do this, you will need to relog into your account once you re-enter the Temu app, since it does delete and reset the entire app to scratch, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.